now, we select Major Mater and Captain Property. We'll demonstrate a low-angle straight pass. The F15's primary mission is putting bombs on target on time. With 15 air-to-ground stations, the Strike Eagle can carry numerous bombs, weighing anywhere from 250 to 5,000 pounds. Each designed to impact precisely where needed. Now, to your right, Major Mater and Captain Property will execute a simulated low-altitude bombing pass. As the pilot climbs, the weapons system officer will find the target. Major Mater will then pull down toward the target, release the bomb. After release, Major Mater will then maneuver